It's only an exercise, but the scenario is very real. These Ukrainian soldiers are practicing their emergency evacuation skills. They need to be ready to react on the battlefield like those in the east of their country. It's all part of the US-led Sea Breeze 2015 military exercises in Ukraine's Odessa and Mykolaiv regions. On land and at sea, the Ukrainian military is gaining skills alongside US forces and their NATO partners.
Тому завдання щодо переходу до стандартів НАТО у нас стоїть, і ми його будемо виконувати. І найближчим часом першим з кораблів, який перейде на стандарти НАТО, буде фрегат Гетьман Сагайдачний, як флагманський корабль військово-морських сил.
During 2 weeks of exercises, some 1,000 US and 1,000 Ukrainian forces are exchanging know-how, along with another 500 service people from NATO and partner countries. US trainers are playing a key role.
When they do small-scale operations together, like a fire party or a damage control team or a medical drill, they then create the understanding, the cooperation, and the familiarity to be able to do large-scale operations between the whole ship.
The Black Sea operations bring US and NATO ships within 200 kilometers of the Crimean Peninsula, which was annexed by Russia in March of 2014. Ukrainian commanders note that the military exercises are not just about combat.
Кораблі ведуть море будуть виконувати завдання щодо супроводження кораблів, пошук піратських кораблів або тих судів, які здійснюють контрабанду, які інші правопорушення в морі. Також морська піхота буде відпрацьовувати заходи щодо зачистки узбережжя від незаконних збройних формувань.
Naval crews are also practicing their rescue skills. These divers are training to conduct underwater searches and ship repairs, and to aid fellow divers in case of trouble.
Part of our training as divers is we practice a lot for emergencies, in case of an emergency. And in diving, there's always a possibility of arterial gas embolism. And if that happens to a diver in the water, we have ways to deal with that procedure, emergency procedure. And one of the things that we've worked this week is we work on procedures over and over again to get better and better.
The Sea Breeze operations continue until September 12th and include instruction on handling medical emergencies, hand-to-hand combat, and terrorist threats. Ukraine is working with its international partners to put its long-neglected military into the best possible shape as it prepares for the worst possibilities from the smoldering conflict in the east.